All right, guys, we're in Belleville, Illinois today doing a repeat client for a couple of areas of carpet. If you remember, we were here last month. We did an area over here, then one up here. Now doing the left apartment here. Hope you guys are having a good day. It's vacant, and this product manager has been using us for years. Loves our service, and got just 2 areas today. We got it emulsified. Again, this is a rental property we're doing. We typically don't do rental property, but we do it for this client because she's been real good. We got Bridge outside the carpet now. And yeah, guys, hope you guys doing well. Stay tuned for some results. And as always, thanks for watching. Storing this carpet. 230 degrees. Wow.